It's a new day. It's actually a beautiful day. Awesome. Birds are singing. So since last night, then I had a problem with my private car. So my private car, like it has a engine light, and then the engine light is on, and then it says like go to the dealership and have the engine checked. So like I've already had like a van where I ignored that, and then the van died. So that was like a very expensive experience. So I don't want to do that again. And then the wife was like, yeah, but we can just take our 3 months old and put her in the van. But I don't want our 3 month old in our van. So we'll see what I can come up with of ideas so that I can finish this today and get the stuff moved anyways without my wife's help, or if I would go ask someone else to help. Anyways, the plan now is to put up the blinds here and then clean this up, and then so like get the house ready today, and then like there are some small things, but then I'll just fix those over the coming days. No one's saying that anyone is going to rent it anyways, but we'll see. So I finished putting up the blind. It doesn't look great, so it's like there to there, so it's a little bit up, a little bit to the side, but that is what worked, right? So like sometimes we have to make like in between solutions, then I have to come up with a better long-term solution for it. If you have any ideas, write suggestions, write it in the comments below. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove the lamp there, and then I'm going to take the TV from over here and move it over here and see if I can unbox it without damaging it. That was like a giving birth, right? But now it's there. It's there. Now I just need to somehow get it over in the corner. So I managed to get it up there. Now it's there. Now I just need to put in the interface thing, which is kind of funny because they break. So it's kind of good that like you can take it out that easily in the old model. What do you think? Now it's up there. I have a delivery of some stuff, so I need to go receive that, and then I'll be back like the Terminator. It was a delivery of some stuff, so I put it in the car. So it's for another project. Some furniture here, but that's also for another project that's different from the one that I'm driving to with the van now. With other projects, we're also like, so the blue TV is not the only TV we're playing with. So we have a Samsung 75-inch TV here. Then we have two 70-inch sharp TVs here. We have two sound bars here. So I'm thinking of taking one of the sound bars out to... No, I don't think it fits. Anyway, so these are like for other projects. Can we fix it? No, it's fucked. I'm back at the house, and I'm going to see what I'm going to do about this living room, and remove some of the stuff, and like see if I can make the house great again. Done. It's good enough now. Good enough. So I finished the living room, and I put up some posters. So we have Scrooge McDuck holding the 2 bags of money that the house is going to bring in, and we have Mickey. It was because I had some holes in the walls. I'm just covering with them, so that's pretty smart. Solves two problems. So what I did here is that I put the furniture sideways. So it's that, there, and there, and then it fits with the couch and now the TV. So you have like, it's like looking at the Siggy YouTube channel, right? Like you are. So that's pretty cool. Where it goes from here is that you have this Kaizen thing. It's a Japanese thing. It's the philosophy of constant improvement. Every day is an opportunity to improve. Even if it's only 1%, it's not about being invincible. It's about being unstoppable. So where we go from here is that we rent it out. The goal is to get around 1,700 US dollars in revenue on average per month from May. So today is the 1st of May. So I'm not going to rent it out today. I'm going to rent it out tomorrow. And then that is the average we want over the coming 7 months. So when I come back tomorrow, I'll remove this TV and put the last posters up, clean, wash the floor, put the rest of the kitchen stuff inside the kitchen. So what do you think of this? One is stuck, so I can't really get it in. So I need someone to help me. So what do you think of the house, like in the cheap range? When you book, do you think I can rent it out? Write it in the comments below. So the bathroom is not like nothing spectacular. So I just need thorough cleaning. But that's it with this for now. So there'll be a link to a video up here in a month. So I'll wait till the 1st of June, and then we'll see how the economy went, how many bookings did we get in May, and then we'll talk a little bit about that and see if I made any improvements to the house. If the link is not up there, remember to subscribe to the channel, click the bell thing, ding 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 when there's a new video. If you like the video, give it a like. If you don't like it, give it a dislike. What do you think? Write it in the comments below. Also, that's all for me. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.